Hey y'all, what's up? How y'all feeling today? Happy Mother's Day. Feeling like y'all did y'all's duty today? I hope y'all did y'all duty. Hope you told somebody, your sister, your cousin, somebody. I hope you told them. Told them. Anyway, I'm sitting at the house, right? I just got home. I'm trying to learn a little bit about this math. This is trippy, man. This stuff is trippy. I had to turn the camera on and tell y'all what was going on, okay? So, this is where I'm at right now. I'm just reviewing what I did yesterday. Subtraction of integers, all right? Check this out. Y'all tell me what y'all think this answer should be in the comments, okay? Tell me what you think this answer should be. Example, okay? Let me read what they say and then I'll give you the example. In arithmetic, subtraction is usually thought of as taking away. For example, if you have 6 books on your desk and you take 4 to class, you have 2 books left on your desk. 6 minus 4, 2. The taking away concept works well in arithmetic, but with algebra, a new way of thinking about subtraction is necessary. Here's the dynamic shift. In algebra, we think of subtraction as adding the opposite. For example, in arithmetic, 8 minus 6, right? 8 minus 6, 2. In algebra, 8 plus negative 6 equals 2. Notice that in arithmetic, we subtract 6 from 8. In algebra, we add the opposite of 6, which is negative 6, to 8. In both cases, we get the same answer. To subtract one number from another, add the opposite of the number that is being subtracted. Okay? Here's the example question. Subtract positive 12 minus parentheses negative 8 close parentheses. Now, from just first glancing at this, it says 12 subtract negative 8. Okay? Now, in arithmetic, you would subtract it straight through. 12 minus 8. That would give you 4. But what this is saying is take the 12, add the opposite of negative 8, which is 8, which will give you a product or a sum of 20. Just making it difficult for no reason. Why can't I just do 12 minus 8? How is it logical that if you take 8 from 12, you get 20? That doesn't make any sense. That's all I want to say, y'all. I'm back on my grind. I'm back focused, back at the house. I'm spending the next hour and a half reviewing over the chapters I went over yesterday because I didn't really get them down. I worked them, but I didn't really get them down, so I'm just doing some review session tonight. But yeah, y'all have a good one, man. Let me get back in this book. I'll holler at y'all later. We need it.